What I go do, Quinn?
Picked it up.
What I do, Quinn?
He picked it up.
Don't say a motherfucker.
Got that bad ass. You know he got
Don't
that.
say Quinn. Be quiet, nigga.
I'm a grudge race, y'all. Plan B ain't show me nothing earlier, man. I'm on the other side. $7 gonna kill him. If he don't spin, hey man, I'm giving odds. How much?
Don't tell this motherfucking nigga shit when I come out, nigga.
Hey man, how much? How much? I give you some odds. Oh, they. It sounds good.
Yo, that Instagram shit shine this shit, nigga. Cameras get on me, hey. Shame on you when I come out. Small block, nigga.
Yeah,
Come out, got these niggas wearing this bitch for that cash, nigga. My down now was better. If I don't got this nigga, he don't pay me a motherfucking thing. How much? You'll see. Hey.
Got no shirt for the rest of the night. Let me try to sell him a Lookout Racing. Look at Nuke, man. He done ran back down there, y'all.
I'm a cheerleader.
Y'all look at Nuke, man. He's looking for his shirt, probably.
Come out, got these niggas around this bitch for that cash, nigga. My down now was better. If I don't got this nigga, he don't pay me a motherfucking thing. How much?
That's Nuke, y'all. Hey, well, hold your money. That's his daddy, y'all. That's his daddy, y'all. Hey, who wants something to sell $1, man?
Look out.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out.